Hey, how are you? It's Casper here, may I saw the OG MOCO. Here we will show how to make a drift car. We will start by saying you can make any car into a drift car. Just need to set it up. No cars left behind. First thing is first put full tank of gas and fix your car. If you don't run out of gas or your car doesn't get damaged, you're already one step ahead. Two, you have to burn all your tires. If you see on the meter shows in the side left, and write the percentage of the tires you have. Get them to 0% each side. You can start by driving in drift mode. Will be hard better to just spin in circles.
And just spin your rear tires. Once you're done with that, try front-wheel drive in most cases. The front-wheel drive and the suspension and weight ratio don't go good. Just watch what happens, lol. Don't turn on stability when you drift. Okay, now, let's change it AWD. Why? Because we need all four wheels to run. I haven't 100% burned my tires from my car, but can definitely see a difference in the car. Maybe the next steps will help to blanco the car out. We will have to shorten the video until next time. We'll make the second part no longer than by the second you're watching this one. Bye, drive safe.